like to show you a fantastic website. Actually, it's called whatshalfway.com, and here, if you are meeting a client or friends or family, and you kind of like, you know, it's too far to travel to them, it's too far for them to travel to you, and you say, hey, let's meet up halfway, this app is perfect for that. So I'm going to pop in here, I don't know, Milton Keynes, as one location, and Farnham, UK as the other location. And I'm going to, what you can do here is you can select if you're sort of meeting up for something to eat or drink, or something fun, family, whatever's in there, take a look at those. Or you can enter a keyword here. So I'm going to enter, it's going to let me, I'm going to enter a keyword. I'm not going to enter a keyword. Okay, it's a little bit temperamental. I could just now enter walk, and it's not letting me at the moment. That doesn't matter. So let's have a look at fun and family then. Let's submit. Okay, and then you'll see that it's come up with the halfway point between Milton Keynes and Farnham is Rickmansworth in Hertfordshire. If you scroll down, you'll then see that it says click here to find a venue. So click on this bit, and then it will show you all the things that you could get up to, meeting your family or friends in that area. So yeah, I hope that was useful for you. It's really good actually for if you are meeting a client and you kind of want to meet up for coffee or something, you know, when you're able to. It's really good for that as well. So it gives you all the details of all the different coffee houses around the area and that sort of thing. So anyway, I hope you found that useful.